Hey guys, today I want to transplant this rosemary that I got at Home Depot yesterday in this pot, in this terracotta pot. They sell it in these containers, plastic containers. I just want a more permanent location for this rosemary topiary that I got for $7. As you can see, it's still in the nursery pot. They just move it, they just stick it into the red one. I just want to pull it out and see how the roots are. I think I'm gonna just rough it up a little bit. It's not dry, so it's good. I think I'm gonna cut it a little bit. If it's perfect, I'm just gonna cut it. I'm just gonna do this, rough it up a little bit all around.